Installing ceramic tiles on a roof floor is an important step to create a strong, durable, and beautiful outdoor space. In this video, you will learn the complete professional method for installing ceramic tiles on a rooftop floor using cement and sand. Roof floors are exposed to sun, rain, and temperature changes, so proper preparation and correct installation techniques are essential to ensure long-lasting results. The first step in rooftop tiling is preparing the surface. A strong and level base is the key to successful tile installation. Before placing the ceramic tiles, the roof floor must be cleaned carefully to remove dust, loose particles, and debris. Any uneven areas should be corrected using a mixture of cement and sand to create a solid and flat surface. Proper leveling helps prevent water accumulation and ensures that the tiles sit evenly across the entire area. After preparing the base, the next step is creating the cement and sand mortar that will hold the tiles firmly in place. The mixture must have the correct ratio to guarantee strength and durability. Too much water can weaken the bond, while too little water can make the mixture difficult to spread. Professional tile installers always aim for the perfect consistency so the mortar can support the tiles securely. Once the mortar bed is ready, the ceramic tiles are carefully placed on the surface. It is important to align the tiles properly to maintain straight lines and consistent spacing between each tile. Using tile spacers can help achieve a clean and professional finish. During installation, each tile should be gently pressed into the mortar and tapped lightly to ensure strong contact with the base. Another important step in rooftop tiling is maintaining the correct slope for water drainage. Roof floors must allow rainwater to flow toward the drain or gutter system. Without proper slope, water can accumulate on the surface and eventually damage the tiles or the structure underneath. That is why experienced craftsmen always check the level and slope during the installation process. Cutting tiles is also part of the installation process, especially when working around edges, corners, and drainage points. Accurate tile cutting ensures that every section of the roof floor looks clean and symmetrical. Special tile cutting tools are used to create precise cuts without damaging the ceramic material. After all the tiles are installed, the next step is filling the joints between the tiles. This process is called grouting. Grout helps lock the tiles together, improves the appearance of the surface, and prevents water from penetrating beneath the tiles. Proper grouting also increases the overall durability of the tiled surface. Cleaning the tiles after installation is the final step. Excess mortar and grout should be removed carefully to reveal the clean and smooth ceramic surface. Once the tiles are fully set and dried, the roof floor becomes a durable, weather-resistant area that can be used for many purposes such as relaxation, storage, or additional living space. Professional ceramic tile installation on a roof floor requires patience, precision, and the right techniques. When done correctly, it not only improves the appearance of the house but also protects the roof surface from damage and weather conditions. This video demonstrates practical techniques used by experienced tile installers to achieve a strong and long-lasting tiled roof floor. If you are interested in construction, masonry, and ceramic tile installation, this guide will help you understand the professional steps used in real construction projects. Watch carefully to see the full process of rooftop floor preparation, mortar application, tile placement, cutting techniques, and finishing touches that create a perfect ceramic tile surface. In addition to the basic installation steps, professional tile installers always focus on the small details that make a big difference in the final result. One of these important details is ensuring that the base layer beneath the ceramic tiles is compact and properly bonded. When the cement and sand mixture is applied correctly, it creates a strong foundation that can support the tiles for many years without cracking or loosening. Another important factor when installing ceramic tiles on a roof floor is the weather conditions during the installation process. Extremely hot temperatures can cause the mortar to dry too quickly, while cold or rainy conditions can slow down the curing process. Skilled workers always adapt their techniques depending on the weather to maintain the quality of the work. Spacing between the tiles is also a key element in achieving a professional finish. Even spacing ensures that the grout lines look clean and uniform across the entire surface. Consistent spacing not only improves the appearance but also allows the tiles to expand and contract slightly due to temperature changes without causing damage. During installation, constant checking with a level tool helps maintain a perfectly even surface. Professional tile installers frequently verify the alignment of the tiles to avoid uneven edges or height differences. This attention to detail helps create a smooth walking surface that feels comfortable and safe. Corners and edges of the roof floor require special attention as well. Tiles placed near the edges must be cut precisely to match the shape of the surface. Careful measurement before cutting ensures that each piece fits perfectly into place. Proper edge finishing also improves the durability of the installation and prevents future damage. Another technique used by experienced craftsmen is gently tapping each tile with a rubber mallet after placing it into the mortar bed. This helps eliminate air pockets beneath the tile and strengthens the bond between the tile and the base. A strong bond is essential for preventing tiles from becoming loose over time. Once all the tiles are placed in a line, the surface should be allowed to rest for a period of time so the mortar can begin to set properly. Walking on the tiles too soon can disturb the alignment and weaken the bond. Patience during this stage helps guarantee a strong and long-lasting installation. After the tiles have set firmly, the grouting process begins. Grout is carefully applied into the joints using a rubber float, filling all the spaces between the tiles. This step not only improves the visual appearance of the tiled surface but also acts as a protective barrier that prevents water from penetrating under the tiles. Cleaning the surface after grouting is another important stage. A damp sponge is usually used to remove excess grout from the tile surfaces while leaving the grout neatly inside the joints. Proper cleaning reveals the natural beauty of the ceramic tiles and gives the roof floor a polished and professional look. With the correct preparation, careful installation, and proper finishing techniques, a ceramic tiled roof floor can last for many years with minimal maintenance. It becomes a strong, weather-resistant surface that enhances both the functionality and the appearance of the building. This video demonstrates practical skills and real working methods used by professional tile installers. By watching the complete process, viewers can better understand how experienced craftsmen transform a simple roof floor into a durable and well-finished ceramic tiled surface. Another important aspect of installing ceramic tiles on a roof floor is ensuring long-term durability and resistance to environmental conditions. Rooftops are constantly exposed to sunlight, rain, wind, and temperature changes, which means the tiling system must be strong enough to withstand these conditions. Using the correct materials and proper installation techniques helps prevent future problems such as tile cracking, loosening, or water infiltration. Professional tile installers always take time to carefully plan the tile layout before starting the installation. Planning the layout allows the installer to determine the best starting point and ensures that the tile pattern looks balanced and symmetrical across the entire surface. This step is especially important when working on large roof areas where small mistakes can become very noticeable. When installing ceramic tiles on a roof terrace, it is also essential to pay attention to expansion and contraction caused by temperature changes. Ceramic materials naturally expand when heated and contract when cooled. By maintaining proper spacing between the tiles and using quality grout, installers allow the tiled surface to adapt to these changes without creating stress that could damage the installation. Drainage is another critical factor in rooftop tile installations. Water must always have a clear path to flow toward the drainage system.